Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about customizing your workspace in Affinity Photo 2. Affinity makes it very easy to keep your favorite tools handy while allowing you to stow away the things you don't use as often. I'll start with the left-hand toolbar. This is where your most commonly used tools reside. To add or delete tools from the toolbar, simply go to the menu, select View, and then Customize Tools. Here, you'll see that there are 126 different tool icons to choose from. If you have a tool on your toolbar that you don't want, just click and hold on the icon and drag it over to the right to make it disappear. If you are missing tools that you use a lot, just drag them from the selection in the panel and move them onto the toolbar to the left. If you find that you use more tools than the toolbar can hold, you can expand it by changing the number of columns in the drop-down at the bottom of the panel. You can also rearrange the tools on the left by dragging them to where you want them on the toolbar. Alright, you get the idea. To close the panel, just click the Close button at the bottom of the panel. Now, to make changes to the tools on the top toolbar, go back to View in the menu, and this time select Customize Toolbar. It's the exact same idea here. You can drag things off of the toolbar that you don't want, and drag things onto the toolbar that you do want. I'll click Done to close that out. Now, you can customize the right side as well. Let's start up here at the top. You see two tabs, histogram and color. If you want, you can drag the color tab to the left so that it is always showing. You can switch them back at any time. You can do the same thing with the tabs in the middle section. I usually keep the Layers tab showing, but you can change it if you want. You can also pull the tab out by clicking and holding it while dragging to the left. Sorry to be repetitive, but you guessed it, you can do the same thing with the bottom panel if you want. Alright, now there are also several other panels that you can add to your workspace if you need them. Just go to Window in the menu and select them. For example, to add your assets to the workspace, just select it. Or you could go back and add your macro library if you need them. You can open other things that will show up in the panels to the right. For example, if you want to see color swatches, it will show up in the top panel. And if you want to see all of your adjustment choices, it will show up as a tab in the middle panel. Last thing here, if you have more than one Affinity Photo file open, they will all show up as tabs just above the rulers. Just click on them to switch between files. Alright, that's about it for today. If you learned something and want to see more of this kind of content, please click those like and subscribe buttons. And if you're feeling generous, this channel runs on caffeine. There's a link to buy me a cup of coffee in the descriptions. Not necessary, but certainly appreciated. Have a great day, everyone.